is no time for fun, Nazboo. It's time to use this unruly beast to get Samira's staff. And this magic lasso potion is just what we need to help us. Lasso potion, fly over there. Capture the beast with the drool and hair. Perfect. Now he'll do everything I say.
Wait for me!
Rocket! Here, boy! I could have sworn that howl came from around here. Maybe the monster, Rocket, just decided to go home.
If only we could use a wish to find him. But we're all out.
Oh! We don't need a wish to find Rocket. We just need to act like a dog.
Wow, Zach. You're really good at that. Really good.
Thanks. I learned from the best. Rocket.
Come on, follow him.
Nazboo, help me stop this thing!
Oh no! It's the monster!
This has got to be the most out-of-control beast in all of Zarme Falls. But he's exactly what we need. Oh, now come on, you. It's time to scare that genie away and get Samira's staff once and for all. What? Wait, hey! Whoa! That way, towards the jeweler! Stop! Oh, at least I didn't get wet. Nazboo!
Oh, look at this.
That's Rocket's paw print, all right. And he went back that-a-way. Woo, woo!
Come on, Nazboo, pull harder. We have to get the creature to the jeweler to scare her. There she is. Now do your barking, jumping, drooling thing so we can scare that genie jeweler. And then I'll grab Samira's staff. Ugh, what do I have to do to get this creature to focus? I know, I'll use a banana. He seems to love them. It's working. Ah! Monster! It worked! Yes! With Samira's staff, I'm now the most powerful person in Zarme Falls. Ha-ha! Now I, Zeta, will rule all of Zarme Falls.
Rocket! I knew I'd find you. Wait, what are you doing with Zeta?
And what's Zeta doing with Samira's staff? Oh no! Zeta must have taken it away from the genie jeweler. We have to get it back.
I've got an idea. Look, Rocket, I've got your bone. Come here, boy.
Hey! Whoa! Cut it out! Whoa. The staff! Nazboo, get it!
Good job, Rocket.
He's a thief! That's my staff!
Actually, the staff is mine.
Oh. Hi, Samira.
Hi, Zeta. And hi, Rocket. Thanks for getting my staff.
Rocket, you're a hero. You sure are. Good boy.
Great job, Rocket. Oh, he's so soft and nice. Wow, Rocket is really great.
That's what we've been telling you. Rocket's so adorable.
And because you've been such a good helper, Rocket, you're welcome to come and visit us anytime you want.
Yay!
Let's play on nickjunior.co.uk.
Boom, Zarme.